Hello everyone. So our next topic is all about the data types. Like we know in any programming language, we have different types of data types like integer, float, character, etc. Okay. Like in integer also depends on your machine if it is 32 bits or 64 bits. Because if it is 32 bits and if you are trying to print PHP integer maximum value, then for 32 bit it will show you 2 billions. Okay, and if it is 64 bits it will give you a very large value. So obviously in PHP the value of integer is platform dependent. Okay, and when I say integer it is just like a normal numbers. So we have written only one line, that is echo php underscore int underscore max, just to check that what is the maximum value of integer if it is 64-bit machine. Okay, so we are using the same file, that is hello world.php only as per our previous video. Okay, so we'll quickly minimize this. Okay, and over here I'm going to write local host and then slash, and then I will write the name of the file which I have stored in htdocs folder. Okay, hello world.php. So you all can see I'm getting very big value or big answer: 9223372036854775807. That is the maximum integer value for this machine. Thank you everyone.